Hi team, let's go to the tips and tricks first. I recently had a question in regard to depreciation. If your property is built after July 1985, there is a very high likelihood that you can take advantage of depreciation. That's money for jam because it is a non-cash deduction. What does that mean? Now, it means that we don't have to pay out money to gain that advantage. We have paid for the chattels for the building in the purchase. Means that it is a non-cash deduction without any expenditure. Now, remember that via the tax withholding form, you can effectively get that taxation benefit on a monthly basis. You don't have to wait to the end of the year, which is money for jam. Who doesn't like additional cash flow? Strong recommendation, hop on our website, member section. There are 2 companies that have special pricing that we can access. And usually they provide for a money back guarantee that if you don't get more benefit out of the depreciation schedule than what you've paid them, you get your money back.